Hi, it's Ranbir. Today's Freedom Friday is a little bit different. We are actually launching our first challenge, and it's going to be called the Yes Challenge. So saying yes to things that maybe that you've been thinking about doing for a long time, but you just haven't put the time into executing. Maybe doing things that deep down inside you really want to do, but you're a little bit scared. I'm excited to do this alongside with you because motivation is like bathing. You've got to do this every single day, people. I mean, it doesn't just happen. It's a daily discipline. So we thought we'd do this with you, 7 days of saying yes, which means you're going to have to say no to things that drag you down, hold you back, make you feel less aligned. You want to make that, inner champion kind of fly, roar, all of that. So I'm excited to do this with you. We're going to do this for the next 7 days, so all our posts will be in and around saying yes to you. Happy Friday.